Rolling.
Ready for launch in 10, 9,
8.
Thanks.
Oh, right there. Yeah, you hear the helicopter was flying by earlier. I was like, dude, guys, it's here.
I came out like, what the
It's
fuck?
early.
No way.
It's early.
Vanessa was like, go fuck, man.
Dark horse.
Dude, right there.
That's the top of the hill. That's where Kirk wanted to go, where that little tower is.
Yeah.
You're at the top of the
Where's
hill.
that? I think it's that one, the Carapa side.
It looks like this fucker doesn't abort, or you know what I mean? Fucking stall for a little while.
Always does.
That's why I didn't want to be at work.
Yeah. Oh, you're staying.
Yeah.
Then it launches at 7:15. You can't leave till 8:15.
Yeah, the customer was like, oh, I announced, I'm like, oh, we have to evacuate. They're like, no, we don't have to evacuate. Stay till lunch. Yeah. What if it delays until midnight, but you're going 1 o'clock in the morning?
Oh, okay.
Oh, well.
You ready to huh? Huh?
Fuck, only any of you are like this.
There's only like an hour window.
Oh, there it is.
It's
There it
moving.
is.
It's moving.
16 to
What?
It's right there.
What?
It's going. Oh, there.
Ah, it's a bird.
That's the
Oh,
sunset.
it's right there.
It's supposed to go right now.
It's supposed to go right now.
Uh-oh.
Oh, 1 minute late.
Start to
We're all
scrub.
going home.
Our time, our clock's
Red light,
over.
red
We're all
light.
going home. This
Red
shit's
rum.
all fucked up.
Red rum.
There it goes.
Oh, shit.
That's minimum.
shit.
Oh,
Right
oh,
there.
oh.
Uh-oh.
Why can't we hear it?
It takes like time for sound to travel.